Diamonds, magical diamonds. Let's try and understand some of the core characteristics. We've all heard of the 4 C's. Let's discover, what are the 4 C's? Diamonds comes from the word adamas for unconquerable. Now let's look at the characteristics of diamonds, the 4 C's. So over here, if we look here, we've got cut, number 1. Now cut comes in various shapes, from your brilliant, your round, marquise, oval, etc. through to your square. These are some of the main cuts here. But also it's very important to get the correct scientific cut so that we get maximum refraction and reflection of the stone. So cut is incredibly important, not only the shape, but also in the quality of the light. Over here, the top here, we've got colour. Now one side we've got D, which is the whitest, purest colour, and as it comes up the scale here, it becomes more tinted. So your kind of core standard range is probably your E or F, EFG I would say, which are colourless, beautiful quality. As you move above H, it starts to become more tinted. But colour, basically very important to the value of the diamond. Clarity here, now this is to do with the actual inclusions in the stone. So if we look here at flawless, it's a perfect, no internal or external inclusions. As we move up to VVS, which is very small inclusion, VS, which is very small inclusion, SI, which is small inclusion 1 and 2, you get more and more small inclusions within the diamond. Now I call these God's fingerprints, they're nature's fingerprints. So most diamonds will have an inclusion. It just depends on the quality or the excellence of the clarity, again, that will define the value of the stone. Finally, carat weight. Now, carat comes from a weight basic going back to the 1700s when traders in India took the carob seed, and the average carob seed weighed 1/5 of a gram, which is actually the weight of a carat, 1 carat. So here the carat weight is very much defined by the weight of the stone. So 1 carat stone is 1/5 of a gram. As we move down to 1/2 carat, that's going to be 0.1 of a gram. 1 carat is going to be 6.5 millimeters diameter. A 50 point or 1/2 carat will be 5 millimeters. And as you move up the scale, it gets larger and larger. Obviously, that will also affect the price and the value of the stone, because the larger it becomes, the more rarer it becomes. Okay, so there we have it. That's the 4 C's in more detail. What I'm trying to do is to just explain the main characteristics here that helps you to understand and make more of an informed decision when you're deciding on your special diamond.